Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 7039. It's run from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight has light sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 19-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 19-inch aftermarket tyre good mag wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front headlight has sun cracks. Manual gear shifter. Factory single stack stereo. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.